Hi and welcome to the Rizzy vlog. Today we have another unboxing. Today it's Marvel again. Let's do it. We don't care, right? We love Marvel. Yeah! So, it's only 3 Funko, so it's going to be a short Funko video. We're going to start with our favorite Scarlet Witch. It's Wanda Maximoff. If I said that right. Did I say that right? I can't remember. Because I always call her Wanda. WandaVision. Although it's not WandaVision. That's cool. I can't remember if have we showed the WandaVision Funko in the video? Shall I get it? They forgot one detail though. She doesn't have black fingers. I'm just wondering why they did it, because maybe it looks like a black mess. No, on her hand. Well, there we go. The stance has changed a bit. It's like more firm. Like like the other video, I was jiggling with the one from from Elena. I was like, come on, fit. Are you really zooming in on her? So I should turn it, right? Okay. There she goes. This is the back side of Scarlet Witch. I love the little fire magic. It's called fire magic. I love the whole outfit, like the whole jacket thing is really cool. Just looking at it. I like the headpiece. It's pretty cool. Although, yeah, still the hand thingy. The finger should be black. But I'm just saying that because if you buy all the Scarlet Witches, then there should be, oh, this is this one, this that one. And with this one I'm like, it's missing just one thing. But the next one is Doctor Strange.
That's very strange.
That's very strange. I just think it's funny with Marvel characters that they almost always have a weird like name. That's the name already existed somehow. You know, like Doctor Strange. I'm like, what was his other name be if he doesn't? You know, if his name wasn't Strange. What the heck is this? Like from the Efteling. Woo. I'm sorry. Whoa.
Not every Funko has a stand.
Now every Funko has a stand. And Tasha's like, oh my god, yeah. I'm gonna eat my words. In the other video.
I didn't say anything.
You didn't say anything. Do you want to know a fun detail? His hair is actually, look at that. His hair is in there. Do you see that?
No.
No?
Yes.
Okay. I was looking at it, I was like, oh my god, that's so funny. Put that down. There we go. So there's so much going on here. Just gonna put it right there. He's bubbly wobbly. Look at
Here's the party.
What did you say? The party?
Here's the party.
Here's the party. Oh, just I'm going to turn him. Look at that. The spell. So the back side is a cloak. Look, it's a cloak. It's all cloak. A little bit of hair. What are you determining? No, what are you? He's like, no.
He's strange.
He's strange. Look at that. Look at his face. It's like jiggly. He's funny though. He's gonna try to stop it.
No,
although,
I want to.
His cloak has its own life, so it does what it wants. Do you see that? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. For some reason it's... Wait, is this... Oh, it's also Bubblehead!
All the Marvels are Bubblehead.
Except Lucky. But it's so bubbly. You know, I always have this thing that I choose the bubbliest for like quizzes. Like this would be a quiz button. I'm sorry, just wanted to say it. There you go. Put you right here. And now we have a chase. Isn't this impressive? It's like, this is a chase.
Ooh, the box is shiny.
Yeah, if you look at the boxes, it's like completely the same boxes, but they added blue. Like blue. So the one from Hawkeye, eat your heart out. Because this one is very cool.
Look, he has a shiny blue background.
Yeah, it's so shiny. It's so shiny. We don't want copyright, so I'm not gonna sing that. And it's also a different franchise, so yeah.
It's still Disney.
Still Disney.
Look, it's Funko 1000.
Don't you mean 3000?
No, 1000.
Oh! That's what you meant. I thought you said you love me 3000.
No, that would have to be an Iron Man.
I know. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna say, with the Hawkeye one, they effed up. But this one is pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's what I'm gonna say. Look at it. It has sparklies in his board of the, I don't know what it's called. But anyways, there are eyes everywhere. Every accent is blue. Even the little stroke of hair right here is blue instead of grey. And of course this bobblehead is also going everywhere. Like there's a party going on. I'm going to turn it for you guys. I always forget, every time I'm smiling, because I always forget he has a moustache and then the beard. Here's it coming, here's the beard. There it is. Just want to put them next to each other, like... wait.
None heads bubbling.
This is so cute.
They're bobbing the exact same way. No, not anymore.
That's so funny. Do you want me to turn them again next to each other? Look at that. This is going to be hard though, because the heads are going everywhere. Oh gosh, look at that. That's what I meant, like the stroke of hair. It even has blue. His skin is blue.
Everything is blue.
They're nope, they're not. The bobbleheads are saying no. Oh my god, this is so funny to turn. Now I want more chases in the videos because it's funny to have them side by side. Look at that. Boop, boop. So I'm gonna put you right here. And I'm going to put you with your sparkly box right here. So,
shiny box.
We're not going to...
sparkles.
It's sparkly to me.
No, shiny.
Shiny. What I wanted to say was it's not the last Funko, because we have a
surprise.
Yeah, I can't remember if we put it in the video or not. So
show us.
We're gonna show it again. WandaVision, WandaVision. It's the one from WandaVision. Otherwise I wouldn't say
it's WandaVision.
Okay. It's a bonus Funko. Look at it. Ooh, that's a pretty noise. There we go. So she already has a stand. We don't have to provide one. So here we go. Oh, so cute. Look at that. She has a cloak on, doesn't she? But this is not her hair.
Yes, she has on the bed. She has a cloak in the movie.
Series. Yeah. Look at that. This is her backside. And of course, is it the Grimhold? I can't remember what it's called. Grimhold? Because I've seen so many movies and books and I'm like, what is it? Yeah, I was looking at her hair right here. It's like, what? That looks strange. But it's a cloak. It's a hood. Really love it. I like this headpiece more than the one on this one. So.
But I like the other one more because it has hair. She has hair.
She has hair. Yeah. True. So.
I like them both.
So. Natasha, which one is your favorite?
The 2 Scarlet Witches.
The 2 Scarlet Witches?
Yes.
There was too much tease in there. I like the Chase one. Ooh. There's even a little, what's it called in the other video?
Highlight?
Highlight. Like, it's glowing.
Oh, metallic.
Yeah, metallic. That's just what I want to say. I like this one, but I don't think I would buy it though, like Chase's. Yeah, I got the Scarlet Witch, this one. I'm considering buying that one, I'm not really sure yet.
But I don't like Doctor Strange in general.
You don't like Stephen Strange?
No.
Don't let him hear it! Oh, but he's funny. Oh well. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If you want another Funko video about Marvel, go and click on this one. If you want a Funko video about Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, over there. And a third video, what shall we recommend? Harry Potter! Or just a whole playlist. Let's do that. There's the Mummy in there and Harry Potter Christmas and so many things. Yes, click on that one. Okay? Bye!